All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and should your shop just give them a total price without itemizing anything? Let's talk about it. All right, so recently one of the air conditioners at my house started leaking, and unfortunately it's R22, and well, you can't get R22 anymore. So the options were basically replace it or replace it. Hard to get R22, it's expensive, and this system leaks. So big old check later, that's not really why I'm bringing this up. When I was quoted for the air conditioning system, I was quoted a straight price. Not parts, not labor, just this is the total bill, everything included, installation, the parts you need, the refrigerant, everything included. No itemization whatsoever. Between the quotes and the system actually getting replaced, I actually found out this is really common in plumbing, HVAC, etc. And it makes me wonder, why don't we do that in auto repair? If it's become the standard in those industries, why can't we make it our standard? Now, I know in some places it's required by law to have an itemized bill, but with auto repair, people complain constantly about every part of the billing process, whether it's how much the parts are versus what they can buy them for, labor costs, how much do you charge per hour, etc. And maybe we need to go to the system. Maybe it's a better way of doing it. Now, according to one of the videos I watched, I guess it was a plumber because he was talking about installing a water heater, and his complaints on billing costs went down considerably going to that method. That's the price. Don't like it? Get somebody else to do it, kind of thing. And, you know, there's a lot of complaints about our industry for pricing that other industries don't seem to have. And I kind of wonder why that is. Well, maybe we need to move to that system just to simplify the process. You know, less data for a customer to analyze. There's no analyzing breakouts. Maybe we need to go to that system. Now, a perfect example of that is like shop fees or disposal fees. If you ever dealt with that kind of stuff, a lot of people just harp on that. And it's one of the reasons why I've never liked those kind of fees. Just include it in the price. Add $10 to the bill or 15 or whatever the heck your shop supplies is or whatever. We all know shop supply fees is just markup for profit. Yeah, you buy a little bit of stuff with that money, but for the most part, it's like 80% profit. Anyway, let me know in the comments what you think. Should the industry move towards a just this is the price model, or should we stay with itemized bills? Let me know. Now, I personally prefer itemized bills for everything, but maybe I'm just in the minority, so let me know. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.